Namaskar. Hi, I am Pandit Acharya Mithun Shastri, Aghori Tara Bhairav. Today's topics today's topic is going to be very interested to all of my followers. Today's topic is completely English version for all regarding the Vastu. You know that very well. Vastu is the main factor in our daily life where we reside, where we do everything according to our deeds, according to our works, according to our anything else as well. Not only that, if any corner and if any direction of the Vastu is getting disturbed or cut or any problem, such as if you have boosted up any TV, refrigerator and so on things related to Vastu, if you set up all the things on the wrong direction, all the things may create problem, and all the things the negative energy will coming out. So today's topic is about to Nairitya Kon, that is the portion of the southwest corner. So if there is any problem in southwest corner, there are so many remedies have found in Vastu Shastra, such as Vishwaprakash, Vishwakarma Prakash, Vastu Shastra, Jatak Parijat. In every classical book and Vedic astrology books and mythological books, if you read through all the salient features of those books, you may come to know about the Vastu, and better you feel when the corner of any direction is getting disturbed or cut or anything equipment set up on the wrong direction, lots of problem may cause. So in this direction, here I will cite a remedy about southwest corner. You know that southwest corner is the corner of relationship, is the corner of Peters, is the corner of good relationship with our neighbors, with others, with in our family. So if you want to remain the good relationship with everybody, so in this connection, in your Vastu, southwest direction, that is Nairitya Kon, should be good and should be corrected, and should be the right things related to southwest corner should be boosted up and installed there. Otherwise, the relationship will be the cause of challenging. Otherwise, any good relationship may be broken as well. So in this connection, here I will just provide a Vastu remedy to boost up the southwest corner properly. If there is any problem on the southwest direction, if such as toilet, if such as kitchen, if such as dining room or anything else, or staircase, so all things should be at first considered according to your horoscope, according to your palmistry, according to Pushna Kundali. And if there is long tree and any such small tree, are found on the direction of the southwest corner, so relationship will be the challenging. And if there is any garbage, any soap tanky found on that portion, and tube oil, etc. found on that portion, relationship may be the challenging. And the problem, gynecological problem and semen problem may be arrived. So in this connection, to nullify the ill effect of the southwest corner, if you properly boost up the helix, that is I am showing here, it is completely made of lead. So lead helix, if you boost up on the southwest portion, it may be nailed on the hanging portion or it may be placed on the ground. According to your Vastu and horoscope, it should be considered and described that from where it should be boosted up. So if you nullify the ill effect of the Vastu dosh of the southwest direction, that is the corner of the pithors, you have to boost up the helix, that is made up, I am showing properly, by which you can see helix should be installed on the portion of the southwest corner to reduce the ill effect of the southwest corner and to reduce the ill effect of the Vastu dosh. So today's topic and today's remedy is here I am going to be ended. So have a nice day everybody. Jai Ma, say Jai Ma, and best of luck.